Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and also share, and don't forget to drop your questions on the comment section. So with an hexadecimal is a base 16 system that made use of both numbers and alphabet. It made use of both numbers and alphabet. Binary is a base 2 system, while hexadecimal is a base 16 system. So our normal decimal system is base 10, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. But in hexadecimal, it's combination of numbers and alphabet. So instead of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, instead of writing 10, it is being represented with A, B, C, D, E, F. So it's a base 16 system. The numbers are always 16. So if you count from here 0 to F, it's 16 numbers. Let's try it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So if you count all the numbers from 0 to F, we give you 16. So it's a base 16 system, which comprises of numbers and alphabet. How to convert from binary to hexadecimal. Now this is our hexadecimal table, and we are given an example here. Let's say convert 1101101 to hexadecimal. Now in order for us to convert that to hexadecimal, what we are going to do is to simply group the binary digits, these binary digits, in 4s. We are grouping them into 4. Each group is going to be 4 digits inside, starting from the right. So we are going to start from the right, which is the first one on the right is 1011. So this is the first group. Now the second group here, which is this one, it doesn't complete 4. It only have 0, 1, 1. So it's just 3 digits that is there. So in any hexadecimal conversion you are doing, if the digits are not up to 4, what you are going to do is to add 0. You add 0 to it to complete that particular group to be 4. So now we have 4 groups here, 4 digits in this first group, 4 digits in the second group. Now we want to convert each group into hexadecimal. You convert each group into hexadecimal, starting from the first group, which is, we always say you start from the right. Now since it is binary, you are going to multiply by 2. You're always giving them a power of 2. Then you raise it to their equivalent. So let's say, for example, the first group, which is this one, which is this group, it will now be 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by the last 2. 1 multiplied by 2. Now you are raising it to its equivalent. So 2 raised to the power of 0, start from the right, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now you multiply across to get your answer. 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2. If you multiply that, it will give you 8, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4, plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1 is 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 0 is always 1. So let's add all of them together. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8, plus 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, plus 0 multiplied by 2 is always 0, plus 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So if you calculate it, 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 0 plus 1 is 13. Now, since we are dealing with hexadecimal, in hexadecimal, 13 is represented as D. 13 is represented as D, so you write D instead of the 13, you write it as D. So the first group, 11011 in hexadecimal, is equal to D. Now let's convert the second group. The second group, 0110, converting to hexadecimal. It's the same process. So you start 0 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2. You now raise it to the equivalent power. Starting from the right, 0, 1, 2, and 3. You multiply. 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3 will give us 8. Will give us 8, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2 will give us 4, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 1 will give us 2, plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 0 will give us 1. So 0 times 8 is 0, plus 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 times 0 is 0. So if you add all of them together, it will give you 6. So 0110 in binary is equal to 6 in hexadecimal. 6 in hexadecimal. Now if you check our hexadecimal table, 6 is 6. 6 is 6. So in essence, our conversion, our conversion 110101 in to hexadecimal, 110101 to hexadecimal is 6D. That is our answer, 6D. 110, which is the first one, give us 6. Then the second number here, 1101, give us D. So the answer 11061101 equals to D. So we have 6D as our final answer.